Hi there, my crafty friends. It's good to see you. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're looking for various types of craft tutorials, you are in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to decorate a wooden jewelry box. I'm going to make it look like old cracked porcelain by using a crackle finish and some mica powder. I'll do some decoupage and some 3D effects with air dry clay. If you're ready, let's make a mess. The first thing I'm going to do is remove the store label and give the box a light sanding, especially along the edges. I want those to be really smooth. Now it's time to add a white base coat to the top and bottom, inside and out. Where are you watching from? I'd love to hear from you. Leave me a comment. I'm filming from Las Vegas, Nevada in the United States. I found this beautiful rose vellum paper at Hobby Lobby. I'm going to decoupage this on the box. Vellum is a little tricky to work with though. It curls and stretches out a little bit when decoupaging. You have to work out a few wrinkles and then it does seem to shrink back somewhat to its original shape. If you're not up to the fight though, you can use a napkin or any other decorative paper. I have a couple videos on how to do a very easy water method of decoupaging. I'll add a couple links for you. This method is not suitable for vellum though. Vellum doesn't really like to be wet, thus the curling and the stretching. I cut the roses out of the center of the paper because I liked the way those particular roses would arrange on the box. Now that the decoupage glue is dry, I'm sanding the edges. This cuts the paper and leaves a nice sharp edge. Are you enjoying this video? If you are, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. I want to add a couple roses in various areas. I'm putting one on the bottom of the box and a couple inside the box. So I'm cutting out some individual roses and some rosebuds. Since this box is tiny and I'm having trouble getting my hand in there, I'm using a dauber to press the flower on the bottom. I'll create that aged porcelain look by using Pentart's fine line crackle varnish. I'm painting the little box on the inside and the outside with step 1 right now. It goes on white but dries clear. And once it's dry, I'll add step number 2. I upload a new video every Wednesday morning. Make sure you catch them all. And click the bell if you want to be notified every time I upload. Everything is dry, so it's time to add step 2 of the crackle finish. As it starts to dry, you'll see cracks forming. Different temperatures and humidity play a part in the cracks though. If you have any trouble getting deep enough cracks, use a blow dryer for just a couple minutes. It doesn't take much, and then the cracks will show up much better. Now I'm going to make all the cracks stand out with some dark gray mica powder. I'm brushing it on the box and then wiping off the excess, and it will stay just in the cracks. This technique is what makes it look like old porcelain. Tell me what you'd like to see more of. More projects like this? Mason jar decorating, or more mixed media projects? Let me know in the comments. Your suggestion could be my next feature video. I'm working on a Father's Day project right now that was a suggestion from Annie of New Jersey, and I hope you're watching, Annie. I'm making some little roses and leaves for the lid of the box using Delight clay. This is really nice clay to work with. It's soft, easy to work with, and dries really fast. I'll remove the wet clay from the lid now and let these dry overnight. I was just test fitting. I'm gluing some stir sticks to the bottom of all my little clay embellishments, so I'll have a handle while I'm painting them. The theme of this little box is black and white, so I'm painting all the little roses and leaves black, as well as the little knob on the top of the box. Now that the paint is dry, I'm going to add some white frost to all the roses and leaves, just on the edges. And it has a little bit of a pearl look to it, so it's really pretty. The stir sticks snip off the clay really easy. And now I'm going to glue all the little roses and leaves on the lid. And I'm using my Surebonder cordless glue gun. It is so nice not to have a cord in your way while you're working, especially on small, tedious projects like this one. I'll add a link for you. Which one of these techniques did you enjoy learning the most? The 3D air dry clay effects or the crackle finish that looks like porcelain? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And I answer 100% of all the comments I receive. After I was done, I sprayed the entire box inside and outside with triple thick glaze to give it a really shiny finish. This little box doesn't even look like wood anymore. It looks like old cracked porcelain. This adorable little box was a surprise gift for my granddaughter. Not for any particular reason, just that I love her and I hope she likes it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making this project. I have some great projects coming up in the future. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of them. I'll be working on a Father's Day gift, a 3D cutting board, a unicorn, and a beautiful peacock. I've put together a playlist of some similar projects that you may enjoy. Click the picture on the right to be taken directly to that playlist.